Okay, here is a narration based on the provided information for audio, focusing on free software options for graphing trigonometric functions like sine, cosine, and others. If you're looking for software to graph trigonometric functions, several free options are available. Here are some choices to explore. 1. Desmos. Desmos is a web-based graphing calculator. This means you access it directly in your web browser without needing to install any software. It's particularly user-friendly and allows you to easily graph trigonometric functions such as sine, cosine, tangent, and their related functions like cosecant, secant, and cotangent. You can also explore properties like amplitude, period, and phase shift by adjusting parameters in the function equations. Desmos excels at visualizing how changing these parameters affects the graph shape and position. 2. GeoGebra. GeoGebra is a versatile, free, and open-source software that runs on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even as a web application. It offers a wide array of tools beyond simple graphing, encompassing geometry, algebra, calculus, and statistics. For graphing trigonometric functions, GeoGebra provides tools to define functions, plot them, and analyze their properties. It allows for interactive exploration and manipulation of the graphs. It supports plotting trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric functions, and combinations of trigonometric functions with other mathematical expressions. 3. Grapher. Grapher is a graphing application included with Mac OS. If you're using a Mac, you already have this tool available. Grapher is a more advanced graphing software, supporting trigonometric functions and a wide range of other mathematical expressions. It allows you to create both two-dimensional and three-dimensional graphs. You can also manipulate the graphs in real time, which makes it useful for exploring function behavior. 4. Gnuplot. Gnuplot is a command-line driven graphing utility. This means you interact with it by typing commands rather than using a graphical interface directly. While it requires learning some command syntax, Gnuplot is very powerful and can generate high-quality plots of trigonometric functions. It supports various output formats, making it suitable for creating graphs for publications or reports. It is especially well suited for batch processing and automating graph creation. 5. Python with Matplotlib. Python is a popular open-source programming language. With the Matplotlib library, it becomes a powerful tool for creating visualizations. You'll need to install Python and the Matplotlib library separately. Matplotlib provides functions for plotting trigonometric functions, customizing the appearance of the graphs, adding labels, and generating publication-quality figures. This option requires some programming knowledge but provides the most flexibility and control over the graphing process. 6. R. R is a programming language and environment specifically designed for statistical computing and graphics. It includes a powerful graphing system that supports trigonometric functions. Similar to Python, you'll need to install R and learn some basic programming to use its graphing capabilities. R offers extensive customization options for creating visually appealing and informative plots of trigonometric functions. R is particularly useful when you need to perform statistical analysis alongside graphing. 7. Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram Alpha is a computational knowledge engine available through a web browser. You can type in a trigonometric function, and Wolfram Alpha will generate the graph and provide additional information about the function's properties, such as its period, amplitude, zeros, and derivatives. Wolfram Alpha is a great option for quickly graphing trigonometric functions and obtaining related information without installing any software or writing code. 8. Microsoft Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet program that has a graphing feature. It supports graphing trigonometric functions by calculating the values of the function at various points and then plotting those points. While not as specialized as some other graphing tools, Excel is widely available and can be used for basic graphing of trigonometric functions. 9. GraphPad Prism. GraphPad Prism is scientific graphing and analysis software that supports trigonometric functions and other mathematical expressions. 10. MATLAB. MATLAB is a commercial programming language and environment that is widely used for mathematical and scientific computing, including graphing trigonometric functions.